So I just got done giving the fifth wheel a bath, and one of the tools that absolutely comes in clutch every time I do this is this Camco soft bristle brush that allows me to basically reach the top of the RV. And the reason I ultimately decided on this brush over some of the others that are on the market was not just the soft bristles, but the fact that it's got the expandable handle as well as it's got the flow through design, so you can hook your garden hose up to this and the water will flow out the bristles here. It makes it kind of nice if you don't have access to a pressure washer, which is kind of my preference. I like to go through the pressure washer, do a pre-wash. I've got a soap dispenser that I can hook to that, and then I can run the brush across the camper and then follow it with another rinse. But if I don't have the pressure washer handy, or if I'm out somewhere else, I'm not here at home where I've got all my tools stashed, this allows me to hook up to just a normal garden hose. I can throw some soap on the camper, and then I can kind of rinse and keep this nice and wet as I'm going through and rinsing all the walls. So this Camco brush is pretty simple. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna loosen this collar here. That's gonna allow you to expand this out to full length here. And you can see it's pretty long, and I can reach all the way up to the top of the camper with ease. I'm only 5'9", so I'm not exactly on the tall side either. The height of my camper is 12'3", so that kind of gives you an idea as to how far you can reach with this brush depending on how tall you are. Now, as I mentioned, it was flow through, so on the end here is where you're gonna hook up your garden hose. Now, this does have a little on-off valve that you can hook up to it as well. You don't have to run that, or you can run your own if you want to. I have seen some other reviews where this is usually the first thing to go out, which isn't a huge deal. You could pick these little on-off valves like this up just about anywhere. And once this thing did break, you could go ahead and upgrade to a brass one, and the brush itself should last you for quite a while after that. It's a nice soft bristle brush. It's not going to tear up the sides of the camper or scratch it up real bad, and if you've got an RV that's got the painted walls, you should be safe on those as well. Other than that, that's all I've got for you. Pretty nice little brush. If you're in the market looking for one, check out this one right here, see if it fits the bill for you. Other than that, that's all I've got for you. Appreciate you guys taking the time to watch, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.